Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted notes in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. This is where all your navigation options are located and where you'll find the tools you need to access your deleted notes. In the left sidebar, look for and click on the More button. This will expand additional menu options that aren't visible by default. From the expanded menu that appears, select Trash. This is where Evernote stores all the notes you've deleted, giving you a safety net in case you accidentally remove something important or changed your mind about deleting a note. Once you click on Trash, the left panel will update to display all your deleted notes. You'll be able to see a list of every note that's been moved to the trash, along with details like when it was deleted. This makes it easy to browse through and find exactly what you're looking for. Take a moment to scroll through the list if needed and locate the specific note you want to bring back. When you've found the note you want to recover, click on it to select it. This will open the note in the main viewing area, allowing you to confirm it's the right one before you restore it. If you need to recover multiple notes, you can repeat this process for each one individually. Now, with your note selected, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dotted icon, which represents the menu for additional actions. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Restore Note. This action tells Evernote to move the note out of the trash and back into your active notes collection. After you click Restore Note, the note will automatically appear back in your Notes section, exactly where it was before you deleted it. The restoration happens instantly, so you can immediately access and edit your recovered note without any additional steps. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted note from the Evernote trash, and it's now back in your active collection where you can continue working with it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.